Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and today I am going to share with you how to store ephemera. Now, this is just a little bit of some that I have collected, mostly from Ally and things like little things that I really enjoy. So I put those in this little tray. And I purchased this tray, I believe, from Michael's a while ago. And I really like how functional it is and how it looks. But I have made ephemera in my previous video. And if you haven't watched that, please go and watch that video. And so now I need to show you how to store ephemera. Okay, Hobby Lobby had a sale, and it's going on now. As this video is current. All Paper Studio is half price. This was $6.99, so I did get it at half price, and it is a large box. So my thinking was that I would get this and I would put little boxes in to store my ephemera. Let me get my items here. You'll need some cardstock that you're not, just some cardstock. This is some cardstock that I'm not really going to use. It's just, I'm probably not going to use the chevron. I think the chevron is outdated for me, and I'll just use this. Now, these are some little hanger things that I've made for my ephemera to go in my junk journal, and I'm going to make a little box for it. Now, I've calculated that I want my box to be 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to put 0.75, which is the 3/4. Then I'll have to measure my ephemera piece. And this is going to come out to be about, for it to nicely fit, it'll be 1.75. Then on this side, in order for it to fit, it will be, I'm going to have to do 3 for it to fit in there. So I'm going to say 3. Okay, then you go 1.5, 1.5, and that's my math there. So this will come out to be 3.25, I believe, and that would be 4.5. So my cut of the paper will be 3.25 by 4.5. Move that to the side, and then I'll go around at 0.75 and score. Okay, let's fold this in. I like for my design to be in the middle, in the center, not on the outside. So that's why I'm going to cut it like this and fold it in. Okay, so you would cut on opposite ends going into that, right there at that line where it intersects. Get your glue. Just a dab of do you. And we are going to fold it in like this on the sides. Hold it real good. Make sure it's flush to the ends there. And then do the same to the other end. Now you want to make sure that it's dry before you put your ephemera in. So let's see, will our box make it? I think I'm going to need 2 boxes because this is a lot, but it fits, see? Now we're going to move that to the side because I've done several of these little boxes to hold all of that ephemera that I made the other day on the video. See, a lot of little boxes. Now we're going to go back to that enormous box, and you can layer them in. And hopefully they will fit. I think I put that there, and those there. That will not fit. I guess I'm gonna have to start a new row. Oh look, that fits just like that. And I did another one previous. I think it'll fit right up in there. Oh, look how nice that fits. And so as I make more ephemera, I'll just make more boxes and fit it in. Like I did these cards, remember? So if I make a little box for this, it'll fit in here. And I can continue. Now, what you can also do is get another piece of cardstock. And this is a smaller piece. It's the 8.5 by 11. And you could, when this is filled, you could put another piece on top, smaller, and so you can just move it over as you need to. Now, if we want to take this a little step further, and this is just if you want to take it a little step further, you can cut out a little circle, and you want to kind of cut in half. And what you would do is kind of glue it on to the side there so that you can pick it up as it's in the box if you want to pick it up out of there. So if you put a little circle on, you can easily just grab it and pick it up out of that box. Just a little idea for you there. Now we're going to move that to the side. Okay, these boxes here come from the Dollar Tree. I love the design. Look at how cute these little boxes are. So I was measuring these boxes, and I think they will fit my Project Life card. So I purchased 3. I can get rid of those tops right there. But how cute are these boxes? I am going to cut this out just above there, and I need it at 3.25. I'm not a stickler for it being centered. And the journal cards are 4, so I want to make sure that this is probably like 4.75. Kind of want that above there, so it's almost there. Okay, it still needs a little bit cut off. I cut it too big. Slightly. I want it really stuck in there. so that it doesn't move. Now I have it looking like that. Okay. Now let's see how many journal cards will fit in here. Will I get all of them in? Oh my, I did. I got all of them in there. I've got them all in. Look at that. Great. Okay. And that will go in the back, just like that. And see, you have a lot of room, so you can add onto it, add little index cards in there. And that's how you can store your journals, your journal cards. Now, the next thing I wanted to show you was something that I've purchased from Walmart. How cute are these little bowls? They are absolutely gorgeous. And I think they was a little less than $3 each. And my thinking was that you can use these anywhere on your desk, but I knew that they was going to go in my craft room somewhere. You could put a little fabric piece in there and stuff it with batting or what's that, fiber feel, and you can make a pin cushion out of it, and that would make a gorgeous pin cushion. And you can put your little washi tape, some little washi tapes in. Let me see if I can grab a few. And put that on your desk, and that would be really cute. Or you could use it for your desk to put little paper clips and things like that, little whatnots. Or some little small ephemera that you might have. But either way, I just thought these was really cute. And if you like them, I did purchase them at Walmart. And they are called dipping bowls from the Pioneer Woman. And I'll just put that to the side. And that is the conclusion of this video. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. Till next time. Bye-bye.